In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags on Airtable, whether you're organizing a project, managing a database, or just need a simple way to categorize your entries. Adding tags can be a game changer in terms of efficiency and organization. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First off, once you've signed in, you'll find yourself on the Airtable homepage. This is where all your bases and workspaces are displayed. A centralized area that's perfect for keeping track of everything you're working on or need easy access to. From this page, you should identify the base to which you'd like to add tags. Go ahead and click on it to enter the base view. Now, inside your chosen base, you'll want to look for the Add Field option. Typically, you'll see this near the top of each column in your table. Give it a click, and a drop-down menu featuring various field types will appear. This is the spot where you determine what kind of data you'll be working with. From this drop-down menu, choose the URL option. Now, I know this might seem a bit counterintuitive since we're focused on tags, but bear with me. This approach offers a simple method for setting up dynamic content or using hyperlinks as tags. When you're prompted, type in tag as the name of your new field. Naming your field is crucial, so make sure it's straightforward and specific to ensure consistency across your database. Once you've set the field name, click on the Create Field button to finalize this new addition. And there you have it, a brand new column dedicated to tags, eagerly waiting for you to populate. With your new field ready, you can start inputting any tags related to your entries. This will make categorizing and sorting through your data a breeze. Adding tags in Airtable can significantly streamline your workflow by enabling quick searches and fostering a more dynamic organizational structure. Keep in mind, tags not only make it easier for you to find what you're looking for, but they also help your team maintain a consistent understanding of the data's structure across the board. Hopefully, this walkthrough has made the process of adding tags on Airtable clear and straightforward for you. By following these steps, you can substantially enhance how you manage and interact with your data. So, give it a try and experience a newfound level of organization with Airtable. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.